Hi, Gretchen Uhe here. Wanted to talk to everybody tonight about the new Diamond Member Incentive. Let me share my screen and I'll run through a few things with you about this. So when someone either signs up initially with a Diamond enrollment kit or down the road they upgrade from some other level of membership to a diamond kit. And when you do that, you're not buying a whole new diamond kit, you're just buying the balance of what you haven't already purchased. So in many cases, it's, doable thing for lots of people. And the nice thing is that the gold, platinum, and diamond kits, which are the three largest kits, you get the price per product actually a little less than regular wholesale price. So they're really good deals. But what I want you to know about is during the first 14 weeks following your enrollment as a diamond or your upgrade, like I said, to a diamond, during those first 14 weeks, you're going to be treated like a senior director in terms of the product introduction bonuses. So this means that in the case of you as a diamond signing up a member as a diamond with a diamond enrollment kit, you would receive the full $500 product introduction bonus each time you sponsor a new diamond. So let's look at this and it'll explain it a little bit better. So in that first 14 weeks as a diamond, say you sign up a platinum, you're going to receive the entire $300 payout that LifeWave gives its distributors for a platinum enrollment. For diamond, like we already talked about, it would be $500. Now, after that 14-week period has ended, if after that you sign up a platinum, you would receive $150 as your product introduction bonus. And there would be 3 people that are leaders in your team above you that would each receive a portion of this $300. In the case of a diamond, you would, after the 14 weeks, get $200 as your product introduction bonus. And then, like it says here on the third bullet point, the next active upline manager, director, or senior director, so these are leaders above you, will each receive the remaining bonus. In the case of a diamond, they each receive $100. So you get $200, they get $100 each. But back to this, where we have this first 14-week period. In that case, if it's the first 14 weeks, you've been enrolled as a diamond and you sponsor a platinum or a diamond, you receive the full payout that LifeWave gives for that level of an enrollment kit. So I hope that was a good and simple explanation. Don't want to forget about this 14-week period. It's a really important time to build your business and make as much as you can when you're enrolling your platinums and diamonds. Thank you for listening.